Are we Charlotte?
And we're gonna
Well, they got a cup holder. They got a cup. Really no place for y'all. And I had to walk 3/4 of a mile to get here, so I couldn't. I didn't want to. Yeah. Let's see here. All right. Looks like y'all are getting this treatment again. I'm sorry. Here we go. All right. So where is it? Mirrors. Okay. Oh, why am I so tired? Look around, get comfortable. Seatbelt. I'm thinking a lot of times when I'm doing this, I just totally lose my patience. And I just watched Roadblock. He knocked over one cone and then just totally lost it. Ended up knocking, he just drove over like 4 or 5. So, ain't quite there yet. Yeah. Okay. Alright, here we go. So I will post a video of somebody else doing this. I tried to shoot a video in the golf cart, and apparently I accidentally hit something and turned the damn camera off. But we are backing out of 2 parallel lines of cones. At the moment. And then as soon as we get clear of them, we have to put the back of the trailer to our left. And then they got a light pole. They got a damn light pole that I'm going to end up blindsiding while I'm doing that. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Alright, getting close. Here's that one. Okay, any more? No. Okay. There we go. Yeah, so there's a light pole back there. But I sure, oh, that's not good at all. I guess I could hit that. We could have that stored to go with. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't lose sight of that. There, oh, damn it. And I can't pull up. Where's that pole? Let's see here. All right, don't get too aggressive yet, Ron. Don't get too aggressive yet. Oh, we got to get aggressive here. Oh, we're going to have to get real aggressive here. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I screwed up here. I'm not sure this is going to happen. might. It might. Maybe. I doubt it, though. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's going to happen. It might happen. Come on. Come on. Oh. 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 I don't know. Maybe. Hey, that's going to happen. All right. That's going to happen. There you go. I just had to do it. Just had to do it. Come on now. Yeah, gonna get that one. Now where am I? Yep, there's one. Damn it. Whoop-de-doo. Yeah, okay, so stay off the rest of them. Now, I was looking at this slalom thing. We're going to try it from the far side, although they got a light pole in my way here. There. We're going to try it like that. Where's my four ways? Where are the four ways on this thing? I don't see them. Alright, ain't worried about them. Uh-oh. Where is that mother? Oh, almost. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. I get one pull up. Man, I got a bunch of room back there too. But I got to get the trailer on the left side of the line. That's that. All right. That was, oh, I screwed up so bad there. I put the trailer on the wrong side. I got in a rush. I'm waiting on you. There you are. Where'd you go? Oh. What's the mirror looking like? Oh, yeah. So far, so good. And we're still not on the cones back there. But I lost that one. Where is it? There it is. And okay, all right. Still looking tight, but good back there. And I lost this one now. Might hit this last one on the left. No. Where is it? Oh. here we go. Getting ready to knock 4 of them over. Maybe. Alright, and are y'all even running still? Yeah, okay. Alright, let's see where we ended up. Now, if I knocked anything over, they leave them laying down. Alright, so I see one way over there. Okay, they leave them laying down so they can score me. None here. I see one cone down. Do I see one cone down? I see one cone down. Is that it? Oh. Yeah, missed that one? All right.
You did good though.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir. I'll give you a ride. I gotta go pick up.
To my truck?
Well, yeah, I can.
Well, I appreciate that.
But
Thank you.
we might have to stop by.
That's fine.